Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to clear Chrome or Google Chrome history on iPhone. So step one, open the Chrome app and then click on these three dots and click on history. This is it. And then click on delete browsing data. First, select a time range. For example, last 15 minutes, 24 hours, or all time, and click on delete data. In my case, I will go with only 24 hours. So click on delete data and wait a moment. And this is how to clear your Google Chrome history on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.